morning from Trott HQ in Bushy. First one of the day is this stunning Kawasaki GPZ900. This has been here a couple of weeks. I just haven't had time to get around to doing it, but today is the day. Gentleman has just recently acquired it. It's in very nice shape. Original exhaust, all original. He just wants a little Trott TLC on it. We'll service all that chain, get all these wheels all cleaned up, see if we can polish up these footrest hangers, degrease all that gunk down there. This lovely black chrome exhaust just need a little bit of polishing, so we're going to polish those up. I have taken off the belly pan, see if we can polish up the front of that exhaust, put a little paint on those coolers there. Had a bit of touching up previously, but we'll give it a little Trott TLC. I'm going to do some machine polishing on this bodywork, get a nice deep gloss to it. Then we're going to treat it to a bit of signature 4K ceramic. Anyway, so let's get it washed, get it decontaminated, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some proper detailing. Let's get started. All right, she's coming along, this GPZ, done the best I can with these header pipes. Polished and polished, had to put a little bit of paint on those inside ones. Now time to put this fairing back on, and then we'll crack on with some paint correcting. I said, just want to get a bit more depth into this paint, so we're going to do a two-stage machine polish, and then we'll seal it with a bit of signature 4K ceramic. Okay, belly pan is all back on, just polishing up these footrest hangers. Got the silencer all polished up, it's come up nice. Now I'm going to see if I can do something with this paint work. Oh my God, look at all the spider webs. Let's see if we can get a bit of depth back to this paint. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish. See if we can rectify. Good old black shows every single mark, and obviously this is some old paint work. See if we can get a bit of depth back to that, get rid of some of these spider webs. Only on the black. Okay, just did a quick run on this side cover. Just look at the difference. Spider webs, much better. Now we'll do one more run, get a bit of shine back to that, and we'll do the rest of it. What a big difference. And there you go, this Kawasaki GPZ900 has been fully trotted. Oh my God, what a lovely bit of kit. This had one of our full works packages. I've been on this since 9:30 this morning. Quite a transformation. She was already clean, but now she is absolutely popping. Every nut and bolt of this bike has been attended to, polished up all those exhaust, footrest hangers. Did a two-stage machine polish on all the body work, and then we treated to the signature 4K Distinction HD ceramic. Oh my God, look at the gloss on that. Managed to remove most all the imperfections. Side covers, tank, those exhausts have come up lovely. All the lower fairing had been removed. As you saw previously, I did the best I could with those exhausts. Looking pretty good. Absolutely gleaming. I do enjoy cleaning these old ones. Get back to my days. Anyways, all done. 5 hours later, get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.